Flavours Liquid Automatic Dispensing System. In order to improve the efficiency of dyeing process and workers' working intensity, we have developed a dye distribution system according to different process requirements. There are 3 ways to distribute dye solution: weight, volume, and pigment powder mixing. The weight type transforms the pigment powder into liquid and distributes it by weighing, and evenly sends it to the machine after mixing. The volume type is the same as the auxiliaries distribution principle, measured by flow meter. The pigment power mixing is to use color matching first, then turn the matched color powder into liquid and distribute it to the machine. The advantages of weight distribution lie in its high distribution accuracy. The advantages of volume distribution lie in its high delivery efficiency, and the advantages of powder distribution lie in its accurate color and high distribution efficiency.